If you are an ambitious person, this is a thought that you've had at least once in your lifetime. What if you spend the next 5 years chasing the wrong thing? Because 1 month you have this idea that you're completely obsessed with, and then in 6 months you've moved on to something that's completely different. Sometimes you think to yourself, am I curious or do I just have shiny object syndrome? And for the longest time, I felt the same way till I realized that there are patterns to my behavior. So, how do you find what you want to spend your life working on? When I was 4, I remember I wanted to be a singer. I was standing on my terrace, wishing on a shooting star that I want to be a singer. The problem? I was absolutely terrible at it. So that dream died pretty quickly. 1. Not every obsession has to become a career. A couple of years later, I found my hands dipped in water filled with neem leaves, and I thought to myself that biotechnology was it. Turns out it wasn't. Looking back, I realized that it was not even about the leaves, but it was about what made them different. I had this innate curiosity to figure out what exactly made them so special. And even though nobody asked me to care, a part of me just did. 2. Pay attention to the questions you ask without being told to. Next came A Brief History of Time, one book by Stephen Hawking that turned a person who slept 12 hours a day into somebody who was waking up at 2 a.m. to go and stand outside in the cold just to wait for hours to look at a couple of meteors. This phase lasted for 3 years. NASA became the dream, and I planned my entire life around it until I realized that I just did not love astronomy, but I also loved the feeling of falling into a rabbit hole. 3rd, notice what increases your energy as you go deeper into it. I remember it being COVID and all of us were restricted to our screens, and one random day I stumbled across social media marketing. It made me question, how do these pages grow? How do companies grow? That eventually led to an interest in luxury marketing. I was so confused as to why people pay such a huge premium for products that they could get at an affordable rate. This took me to psychology and consumer behavior, and after psychology and consumer behavior came the product itself. It wasn't long before I was thinking about startups, venture capital, product life cycles, and I realized that every answer I found led me to 5 more questions. But I had not found the right thing, but instead I had found the right feeling. This internal pull that you feel towards something when you know that this particular thing has you hooked. 4. Stop searching for an interest, start noticing repetitive feelings. So if you're ambitious but confused, maybe the question isn't what do you want to spend your life doing. That's too big of a question to answer in one go. Instead, ask what do you find yourself coming back towards even when you try to move on. What is something that you think about daily, something that just can't seem to leave your mind? I spent years trying to find what to dedicate my life towards. But maybe the right question isn't asking that. Maybe it's asking, who have I been every time I felt the most alive in my life?